Ever dreamed of exploring ancient ruins, trying exotic foods, and experiencing different cultures? You're not alone. Many people think traveling the world requires a huge bank account. But guess what? It's totally possible to explore our amazing planet without going broke. Let's dive into some practical tips and tricks to make your travel dreams a reality on a budget. Choosing the right destination is key to budget travel. Some parts of the world are simply more affordable than others. Southeast Asia, for example, is a haven for budget backpackers. Think delicious street food for $1, affordable hostels, and incredible temples. Eastern Europe is another fantastic option with beautiful cities, rich history, and a lower cost of living compared to Western Europe. Think about how far your money will go. $1 in Thailand buys you a lot more than €1 in France. Do your research and pick places known for being easy on the wallet. Remember, expensive destinations can be done affordably too. It just takes a bit more planning and flexibility. Flights can eat up a big chunk of your budget, but fear not. There are tons of ways to find great deals. Flight comparison websites are your best friend. Use websites like Skyscanner or Google Flights to compare prices from different airlines. Set up fare alerts to get notified when prices drop on your desired route. Timing is everything. Flying during the off-season or shoulder season, the months between peak and off-peak, often means cheaper fares. Look for flights on weekdays or consider alternative airports. Budget airlines can also save you money. Just be sure to read the fine print regarding baggage fees and other extras. Remember, a little flexibility goes a long way. If you're open to adjusting your dates or destination, you'll be amazed at the deals you can find. Finding a comfortable and affordable place to rest your head is essential. Thankfully, there are plenty of options besides expensive hotels. Hostels are a backpacker's best friend, offering dorm rooms or private rooms at budget-friendly prices. You'll meet fellow travelers and get insider tips. Consider couchsurfing. This awesome platform connects you with locals who offer free accommodation. It's a great way to experience a place like a local and make new friends. If you prefer more privacy, look into renting an apartment or house through websites like Airbnb. Look for discounts and deals. Many hostels offer discounts for longer stays or for booking directly through their website. Sign up for newsletters and follow your favorite accommodation providers on social media for special offers. Eat like a local. Spend like a local. Food is a huge part of the travel experience, but it doesn't have to break the bank. One of the best ways to save money is to eat like a local. Skip the fancy tourist traps and seek out local markets, street food stalls, and family-run restaurants. Cooking your meals is another great way to save. If you're staying in a hostel or apartment with a kitchen, take advantage of it. Hit up the local market for fresh ingredients and whip up some delicious and affordable meals. Don't be afraid to ask locals for recommendations. They'll often point you to the best hidden culinary gems. Remember, some of the tastiest and most memorable meals are often the cheapest. Activities that won't break the bank. Experiencing a new destination doesn't have to mean expensive tours and attractions. Many cities offer fantastic free walking tours. These tours are a great way to get your bearings, learn about the history and culture, and get insider tips from local guides. Look for discounted entrance fees. Many museums and attractions offer discounted or even free admission on certain days of the week or during off-peak hours. Take advantage of these opportunities. City passes can also save you money if you plan on visiting multiple attractions. Remember, some of the best things in life are free. Exploring the outdoors, hiking to scenic viewpoints, or simply wandering through parks and gardens are all incredible and cost-effective ways to experience a destination. Unlock savings with rewards and discounts. Make rewards programs and discounts work for you. Sign up for travel credit cards that offer miles or points for your spending. These can be redeemed for free flights, accommodation, or other travel perks. Join frequent flyer programs and collect miles every time you fly. Look for discount cards that offer savings on attractions, transportation, and more. Students, seniors, and youth often qualify for discounts. Don't be afraid to ask. Many businesses offer discounts that aren't always advertised. Remember, every little bit saved adds up. By taking advantage of rewards programs and discounts, you'll have more money to spend on the things you love most about traveling. Your affordable adventure awaits. Traveling the world doesn't have to be a distant dream. With a little planning, flexibility, and these savvy tips, you can experience the adventure of a lifetime without breaking the bank. Remember to embrace the unexpected, be open to new experiences, and cherish the memories you create along the way. Start planning your affordable adventure today. The world is waiting to be explored, so join us on the Rest and Relax channel by hitting the like and subscribe button for more ways to travel like a pro.